The easiest way to install any add-in into any Microsoft Office application is to download the add-in file to your desktop. In our example, this is being Agenda Helper PPAM, indicating PPAM is PowerPoint add-in. I right-click and copy. I start the PowerPoint application, and in the PowerPoint application I go to File, Options, Add-ins, and at the bottom there's a drop-down and I select PowerPoint add-ins. This is not being a COM add-in but a PowerPoint add-in. And I go to Go, Add New, File Open menu comes up and I paste from the clipboard into this folder. This folder otherwise is very hard to find. It has a very hidden folder path. So this is actually the easiest way, just to drop it here. And now it is automatically selected and I just click OK. And it comes up and all is good, so I can directly close it. And the ribbon up here appears indicating that the PowerPoint add-in properly installed.